later start time would help you feel more rested during lesson?
Ya, saya setuju. Karena ketika memulai sekolah lebih lambat, bisa mengurangi tekanan dan stres berlebihan bagi siswa. Kurang tekanan ini dapat membantu siswa lebih mudah menyerap informasi dan memahami konsep yang diajarkan.
How will starting school later affect your ability to focus in class?
Ya, saya setuju. Karena kita memulai sekolah lebih lambat, bisa membantu mengurangi stres dan kelelahan yang sering dialami oleh siswa. Dengan demikian, siswa dapat lebih mampu berkonsentrasi dan memperhatikan pelajaran yang diajarkan oleh gurunya.
How do you feel your morning routine will change if school started later?
Bagus, karena kita memulai sekolah lebih lambat bisa memberikan lebih banyak waktu bagi siswa untuk bersiap-siap dan merencanakan kegiatan mereka sebelum jam pelajaran dimulai. Ini bisa membantu mereka lebih fokus dan mempermudah siswa saat belajar.
Thank you. A later school start will make mornings less stressful for students.
Ya, karena menurut saya jika sekolah memulai lebih siang bisa membuat siswa lebih siap datang lebih pagi dan tidak terburu-buru, sehingga siswa tidak stres karena terlambat.
Would you feel more motivated to attend school if it start later?
Ya, saya akan lebih bersemangat jika sekolah dimulai lebih siang karena saya akan mempersiapkan diri sarapan terlebih dahulu dan datang ke sekolah dengan nyaman dan aman.
Okay, thank you.
How do you think our lesson start time work impact student over performance and attendance in class?
Itu ya, bagaimana kalau kita masuk sekolahnya agak sedikit lebih lama. Menurut Miss setuju ya dengan kalau kita agak dimundurkan sedikit jadwal masuk sekolah kita karena kalau bisa meminimalisir kemacetan yang pertama dan kemudian dirimu bisa lebih efektif lagi untuk mempersiapkan hal-hal mengenai yang akan diperlukan di kegiatan pembelajaran sekolah.
Can you expect the student effort more productive during scarce times of the day?
Nah, dirimu kan ini di kelas 12 ada mata pelajaran lanjutan atau pilihan kan. Nah, pasti pada mata pelajaran tersebut dirimu itu pasti lebih fokus di situ. Jadi, di mata pelajaran itulah waktunya yang lebih efektif karena menyangkut dengan nanti tujuan di kuliah nanti. Karena mata pelajaran yang dipilihkan nanti itu kan merupakan lanjutan ke mata kuliah nanti apa yang diinginkan jurusan kuliah nanti.
What is super local school in adjusting their start time, right?
Iya, jam sekolah lebih lambat akan membuat lalu lintas akan menjadi lebih lancar. Dikarenakan terdapat perbedaan waktu tempuh masing-masing antara siswa dan pengajar lainnya.
How do you think later school start time might affect traffic to transportation in the community?
Ia dikarenakan agar berkurangnya terjadinya kasus keterlambatan para siswa akibat penuhnya transportasi umum dan macet di mana-mana.
Well, parents of high school students call it mission impossible getting their kids up in the morning. Many of them need to be awakened well before dawn. But as ABC 2 News' Don Harrison tells us tonight, one group in Annapolis wants to hit the snooze button.
Try to create a healthier school start time that's in sync with the sleep needs of adolescents and teenagers.
Heather McIntosh is with a group called Start School Later, and that's exactly what she feels high school age kids should do in Anne Arundel County. Anne Arundel High School starts at 7:17 in the morning, the earliest in the state. She feels that's too early for teenagers.
That so that kids can go to school at a time that's healthier for their sleep needs, their health, their learning ability, their mental health, and equity, and their academic achievement.
The County Board of Education says a later start time would have a negative impact on when kids get out of school.
And that puts schools at dismissal times of 4:30, and that clearly impacts other things like evening activities, family activities, homework time, and those things.
Heather points to a Minnesota study where changing start times translated to better academic performance.
Those districts have seen benefits in academics and in the health, the alertness of their students. So their grades have gone up. They've seen a drop in depression rates, anxiety, suicidal tendencies, car crashes, safety on the roads.
The county says changing start times would cost taxpayers money.
Previous petitions and previous discussions before the board have been to move the high school start times back, but to leave the middle school start times essentially the way they are. That involves dozens more buses and millions more dollars.
Heather tells me they feel like they're gaining some momentum. They have their first meeting tomorrow in Annapolis. In Anne Arundel County, Don Harrison, ABC 2 News.
Now, according to the National Sleep Foundation, teens need as much as 9 hours of sleep a night.